Hi guys! I'm back today with what was supposed to be an unboxing, but my son decided to edit the video his own special way. We're gonna leave it like that. But I think it's probably worked out because I find that, taking the stuff out of the bags is very noisy. So maybe this is better. Okay, this is the February box from Simply Gilded, and it's titled Sweet Dreams. I'm just going to hold the contents card up so that if you'd like to pause and read, you can. Okay, this was supposedly Lisa Frank inspired. Now I do want to show you, if the box is something that's important to you, this came kind of busted open. It seems to be more the rule rather than the exception with these boxes. It did come in a padded mailer, but that doesn't seem to have helped it any. Okay, so this, let's just go down the list from the contents card. This is the journaling card, and this month it has kind of a holographic foiling, and I'm trying to ensure you can see the kind of rainbow effect. All right, set of 5 washi tapes. This is kind of a, I would put it in a gray-blue type category with holographic bows. Now, note how the foiling is done on this, okay? Because it is quite different on the other ones. And I don't know if this is a deal breaker for you, if you guys are gonna want to try to find this on the buy-sell trade groups if you missed out on this box. But can you see there is kind of a almost like dot grid type texture to it? It's weird, but it does have a nice kind of effect. It almost kind of glows a little as opposed to your standard kind of holographic thing happening. And this one has the holographic with rose gold. And I wanted to pull this out to show you because some of you might be thinking it looks very similar to the striped one that was part of the gummy bear set. It is. The colors are very similar, and it's obviously the same kind of thing going on. It's just stripes with foiling. But this one is a bit more freeform, and this one is just straight shapes. And this one is only silver foiling, whereas this one has the dual foiling. Okay? And then this one is just pink and purple and kind of like grayish blue clouds with moons, stars, and the moon is in different phases. And this one has the same cute little animals that are in the stickers. And it does have the foiling, and the foiling is the same as on the other ones. It is not the same as on the bow. The bow one is just like any other bow washi that you're gonna get. So I'm not sure why they're different, but they are different. Okay, the next item on the list is the foiled pocket traveler's notebook insert. This is a pocket size, and can you see it has a holographic effect? It might look silver on the screen. I'm hoping the holographic effect comes across. I love what she did down here. So cute. And this really, it does have kind of a pastel Lisa Frank feel. Just a dot grid. And if you're familiar with the 1407 planners paper, the quality is not there. It is not the same, but it's still very nice, and I would be pleased to use this. This would be fine for my purposes. Okay, the next one is this pen, and I got a pen, this exact pen in rose gold without the engraving from the Villa Beautiful kit from last month. So I think there's one other company that's doing this pen in the next month or so. And there, I don't know if you can see. Sorry if I'm not in the frame. There's some imperfections with that. That's okay though. And it's ballpoint. That's called a telescopic pen. So that needs a D1 refill, in case you're wondering what kind of refill those take. This is the magnet. Nice if you have a Rascog cart. Sorry, I've got fingerprints all over it. It says Simply Gilded though. And I'm so sorry for like the state of my hands, guys. I'm trying so hard to stop biting my nails again, and just the weather, my hands are so dry. Okay, this is a Sleepy Heart microfiber cloth. I think it's an unusual addition to the kit, but I'll use it. And then the last thing is the Luxe Functional and Deco stickers. This has the same holographic foiling, and I feel like the foiling has really improved from the earliest stickers. As you can see, there's still some faults, and the cutting isn't like as perfect as it could be, but it is a significant improvement over the earliest stickers. So Irene is definitely getting better. I don't know if she's producing them herself or she's having them made, but yes, so they are improving. So this is everything. I am quite pleased. I can't pick it up because my stupid bitten nails. And yeah, I love it. It's really cute, and just, I think, gonna be really fun for spring, especially because just for March, early spring, it's not quite, you know, the bright florals and that sort of thing quite yet. This is I feel like a really nice collection for this time of year. Okay, so that's it for now, and I will see you guys next time. If you like this, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos like this. All right, bye guys.